everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and I'm here in North Wildwood because a lot of you guys who don't know the area too well have been asking me questions. Joey, you keep on talking about Champagne Island. What the heck is Champagne Island? Now, before I get started, go ahead, hit subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So for those who don't know, this Champagne Island has been a thing for a very, very long time. For those who are familiar with this North Wildwood Island, you do know that we have a whole inlet over here. At one point in time, this inlet was pretty much the mecca for fishing. Anglesey had giant docks that went all the way out here, and these big boats would come in. You could either fish on the boats that went out there, or you can fish off the docks. Now, every year, every so many years, they would dredge this entire place out because this channel here, this inlet, comes in and out. Now, over time, this island formed in the middle, and for the past, I want to say 20 years this thing has been around, but it has gotten really big in the past 7-8 years because they've pretty much stopped dredging this entire thing. So all the sand that keeps coming in and out from Stone Harbor, it comes down the coastline and it pulls in here. It just keeps making Champagne Island even bigger. Right now, it is low tide. Champagne Island, this is the biggest I've ever seen it because right now you can walk all the way out to probably right about there, and the beach is right there. So just to give you guys a point of view, you can see over here, this is the seawall, and right over here, this is Champagne Island. There's a decent amount of folks here. You can see people standing all the way out to here, which is insane. Normally it's just that little section here, but it's low tide, so you see a lot more. And right there is probably the end of it, which is bad. The reason why I say it's bad is because normally what happens is that they would dredge that and this would be safe enough for boaters to go in and out. Well, now because of low tide, people don't see those sandbars there and they crash a lot. Now, a few months ago, we took the drone into the sky to survey the entire inlet. That way, companies like Cape Mesito know what obstacles are there, or when someone gets stuck, they know exactly like, oh, there's a sandbar there. We just got to pull them a certain way. But I could put that link in the description or in the corner here. But let's get this drone in the sky. So there you guys go. Now you know what Champagne Island is. You know what it looks like. Everyone goes up there with their boats. They put their tents up. They have a really good time. I've actually never gone out there before. I also, just so you know, and I want to put this out here, do not try to swim from the shoreline here over there. It's very dangerous. It is very deep in the middle. Very dangerous, so don't do that. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, and I'll see you guys on the beach. Bye.
fast and I'm keeping on.
Alright, let's look to see what we're gonna do.
I first didn't realize